Hello friends and welcome back to MotoGP 20 career. So today we are going to Brno and after that Red Bull Ring, the KTM's home Grand Prix. So let's go to next week. Okay, our engine development is complete. So yeah, we can do this increment of engine intake and exhaust capacity. Okay, yeah, it will take 6 weeks. Okay, frame will be ready in 4 weeks. Let's move to next week. Okay, so here we are in Czech Republic. Let's go to qualifying.
Hello and welcome to the Brno circuit. The first qualifying session is about to begin. It's going to be a real battle getting through to the second phase. The weather forecast for the session is perfect, so riders and teams will be able to concentrate exclusively on fine-tuning their performance. For the moment, it looks like there won't be need for further confirmation. He'll probably analyse the last few laps with his track engineer and decide what to do.
Okay, in our first flying lap we did 14.2. So let's change the bike setup और देखते हैं हम क्या improve कर सकते हैं. Okay, and so we are 0.7 seconds faster. Let's go to qualifying 2. Okay, we did 14.1 in qualifying 1. So let's see अभी कितना time improve कर सकते हैं. अगर 13 वाले स्लैब में आ जाता है तो that will be good. Let's try for this. Yeah, it's 13.1. That's great. Let's end the session here.
That's the end of the second and
We are
last qualifying
2.6
session, and we
seconds
can finally
faster
see the
than
grid positions
Masia.
that await us in tomorrow's Grand Prix.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Great result.
We're now transmitting from the starting grid where everything seems ready. It's always difficult to predict the results of a Moto3 race, but the riders we're seeing right now definitely seem to be the favourites.
Okay, so we'll go with soft front and medium rear. Yeah. Full tank of fuel. Let's start the race. Okay, medium. Yeah, maximum
Well,
riders
seconds
on
away
medium,
from the
medium.
start of the race, the riders are coming down to the start of the Czech Grand Prix here in Brno.
Okay, so let's rock. Yeah, we got a good start. Masia wants to overtake me. Okay. Into turn 3. थोड़ा बहुत गैप बना रहे हैं हम. Turn 5, little confused. Yeah, still now we are going good. Dennis is down. Into Kevin Chuan's corner. Come on, KTM, show me your power. We are back on power mode 1. Into final corner. Yeah, and here we are, 0.6 seconds faster than Masia. Fanardi is on 3rd, Suzuki is on 4th. Our rear tire is getting warmer. Now I am little bit concerned about the rear tire selection. शायद हमें हार्ड ऑप्शन के साथ जाना चाहिए था, but let's see. Into final corner. We are still maintaining our lead, and Masia is 0.5 seconds behind. A little mistake. Right side of our tire is getting red. Do we need to increase the traction control? Not now, let's see. Oh. Masia is not leaving us alone. I can hear him. Okay, so the gap is 0.4 seconds. Fenard is on third, Suzuki is on fourth. Little bit wide. The rear tire temperature is not good. Masia is closing. Whoa! He's through. Come on, KTM. Yeah, back to traction control 2 because the tire is hot now. Oh ho ho, wide, and Masia goes from inside. Come on. Again. We are wide in turn 14. On final lap, Masia is leading by 0.6 seconds. Come on. Inside line. Can we hold it? No. Into the slipstream. Yeah, we are through. इस बार हम टाइट लाइन लेंगे. ओहो, मिस्टेक. ओहो. Yeah, he will try in this corner, but nope. Into the chicane. Back on power mapping 2. Kevin Schwann's corner. Yes, we did it. Great win.
The stars of this exciting race are finishing the final lap.
Suzuki's on
Let's take advantage of
second.
these moments to take a look at the
0.4
Moto3
seconds.
final ranking.
Alright. Igno is on 15th. Good race. Bruno was fantastic. Now it's time to go to Red Bull Ring, KTM's home track. And once again, I forgot to record the qualifying 1 and qualifying 2. We did 43.8 in qualifying 1 and 43.3 in qualifying 2. So we are on position 1. It's time to go to race.
Hello and welcome to the Red Bull Ring. Just a few minutes to go and the Moto3 class Austrian Grand Prix will finally begin. As you can see from the footage, the skies are clear at the moment, but there is still a thick layer of water on the track that will give the riders a very hard time. We're now transmitting from the starting grid where everything seems ready. It's always difficult to predict the results of a Moto3 race, but the riders we're seeing right now definitely seem to be the favourites.
Okay, we have only medium compound options, so we'll go with medium front, medium rear, full tank of fuel. Let's start the race.
The riders have just completed the sighting lap and are lined up on the Red Bull Ring straight. Very little time is left until the start of another Austrian Grand Prix.
Come on KTM, it's our home Grand Prix. Come on. Good start. Into tricky corner 1. Yeah, and little bit wide, little bit. And he's through. But yeah, he took the lead back. Into turn 3. Careful, careful. Masia is down. Yeah, wide in turn 4. Yeah, but still Foggia is there. Okay. Into penultimate corner. Into final corner. And we are leading the race after first lap by 0.8 seconds. Suzuki is on second, Foggia is on third, Fenardi is on fourth. Alright, we are extremely wide. That's not good. There is a battle going on between Suzuki and Foggia. our tires are not getting to optimum temperature. They are still cold. Into final corner, little bit wide. Yeah. Suzuki is always looking for the opportunity. We did fastest lap 45.2. But we are back in lead. Carefully into turn 3, rear wheel is sliding, but it's okay. Hard on brakes. Suzuki is trying the wider line. Okay. We are not able to get away from Suzuki and Foggia. Okay, Masia is on 21st position. The gap is 0.2 seconds. He is all over on my back. ये रिंग वाले जितने भी ट्रैक्स हैं उसमें रेड बुल रिंग इज द बेस्ट ट्रैक एंड सेक्शन रिंग एंड किमी रिंग बिग नो फॉर देम. एक्चुअली ट्रैक अच्छे हैं बट हम स्ट्रगल करते हैं ना यार वहाँ पे. ब्रेक 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 ब्रेक, लिटिल बिट वाइड. Whoa, whoa, whoa. हम तीनों के अलावा बाकी के सारे राइडर्स बहुत पीछे हैं. So after lap 4, we are leading by 0.3 seconds from Suzuki and Foggia. Fenardi is not having a good pace. It will be fantastic if we win on this track with the KTM. Now the gap is 1 second. Come on, Suzuki. Ricardo Rossi is down. Yeah, final lap. We have the fast lap 42.5. Come on, Suzuki, let's fight for the win in final lap. Little bit of sliding. On the brakes into turn 4. Whoa, 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 whoa. Into the penultimate corner, into final corner. Yoo-hoo! We did it on Red Bull Ring.
While we wait for the cameras to take us to Parc Ferme to meet the stars of the race, let's take a quick look at the Moto3 class final ranking.
Okay, Antonelli full. Yeah, only 2 riders are DNF. Okay, so both the races were awesome. Our frame is complete. Can we develop this? No. So we have added some stuff in research. Alright, now it's Silverstone and then Misano. अगर हम सिल्वरस्टोन में भी जीत जाते हैं and then Misano में भी जीत जाते हैं, it will be fantastic. 4 back-to-back wins. Let's try. देखते क्या होता है. Alright guys, see you in Silverstone. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखना. मास्क यूज़ करना, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करना एंड राइड सेफ.